Hey there, we are back with the third installment of Madhubani Borders, and today we are taking the easy route this time, and we are first starting with borderlining the area in which we are going to draw the border. I started off with a bunch of triangles, or if you want to make it easier, it's a W, with really huge spaces. And then, because this is Madhubani, I add a double layer to it. Keeping the center of the triangle, I added a semicircle, added a double layer to it, and then I kept about 0.5 centimeter space and added 2 more layers of semicircles. In the previous border, we had added vertical straight lines to fill up the space. In this, we are going the traditional way, and we are adding circles first and then filling up the space with black. This is the ideal way of creating Madhubani borders, because usually they don't use colors in their borders, as it is more of a luxury and less of a necessity. And so we went the traditional way, and the remaining space behind the semicircles are being filled with vertical straight lines. This is for the triangle where the point is towards down. For the one that faces upwards, we are using to fill it up with petals. So we first create a small loop which closely resembles a silkworm. As you can see, nature plays an important role in Madhubani border designs, and so I am using those exact methods, those exact structures that make way to it. So you basically create this silkworm like structure from the top of the triangle to the bottom, and then you create half silkworm structures that match with the structure in the center, and all of them are filled not with straight lines but with curved lines. Once again, we add a double layer because this is Madhubani, and now we will move on to fill up all the triangles with the same exact pattern. Once you're done with that, and I also forgot to mention that there are 3 loops that are being used to fill up the space under the smaller semicircle, because this will be colored. Once you are done with that, once all the lines are filled up with, you can either choose to color them with any color that you wish to. Here I have chosen blue because, as mentioned before, I tried to maintain continuity in this sheet. You can use any natural color and only fill up the spaces which are white in color. If you want to go one step ahead, you can also fill up the spaces between the lines alternating. It will create a more intricate design. It will look very beautiful, but again, it's completely up to you, because Madhubani borders are very easily customizable and they look always pretty even if you don't add colors, because they have their charm of black and white. I hope you had fun drawing this with us, and you recreate this and share it with us. Do reach out in case of any doubts, and I'm pretty sure you'll have someone responding to you. So yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Do also check out our social handles and follow us on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Remember to check our website and our Discord server and follow us there for more updates.